Every time I post a video of me doing a $3 field agent gig or similar app, I get the same comment. That's a waste of time, or it's not worth it for only a couple of bucks and you'll spend more in gas. But after doing thousands of these $3 gigs, I realized that most people are getting the whole thing wrong. Today, I'm going to show you when and why the $3 gigs are actually worth it and when they are definitely not. First of all, what am I talking about? I'm talking about an app called Field Agent. This is a side hustle app that has pins on a map, and then you could reserve them for up to 4 hours, and then you have to go to the store and do a task. Most of the tasks consist of taking pictures of aisles, taking pictures of displays. It's not very exciting, kind of tedious, but in my opinion, it is a lot more fun than waiting at a restaurant for the food to get done and then dealing with customers. With this, you don't have to deal with customers. You don't have to have customers in your car. You don't have to deal with restaurants. And you don't even have to have a car because that's not required. All that's required is that you get to this store. So most of the gigs are going to pay between $3 and $6, but 80 or 90% of the ones I've done only came out to $3. But even though the payout is so low, this is still a good part of my monthly side hustle income. So the first time when it's worth it is if you're passing by the place anyway. Let's say you have a commute and you pass by two supermarkets. There could be gigs at the supermarket. You stop there for a couple minutes, make a couple extra dollars. Another way is if you are already out doing side hustles or doing errands. Let's say you're doing Uber Eats and DoorDash. It's a little bit slow. You're waiting in the Walmart parking lot. Why not open this app, see if there's a gig there, go inside the Walmart and do the gig, make some extra money while you're waiting for your next order. Another time when it's worth it is in volume. So a lot of times at Sam's Club, Walmart, BJ's, or even Aldi's, there'll be 5 to 10 of these $3 gigs at the same store. So you're not just driving to a store to make $3. I've made like $30 to $40 at one store when there was about 10 or 15 of these gigs at the same Sam's Club or BJ's. Also, there could be a lot of clusters of gigs that are close together. Some stores, a lot of times, Walmart is right across the street or in the same parking lot as Sam's Club. So there'll be 5 gigs at Sam's Club, 6 gigs at Walmart. Then it really becomes worth it. Another thing is Field Agent is not the only app that does this. There are about 2 or 3, maybe 4, but the ones I would recommend multi-apping with are Mobi and Observa. I made a lot of videos on these. So then you could do 2 gigs for Field Agent, 3 gigs for Mobi, a gig for Observa, all at the same store. So therefore, you're not driving around, you wasting gas just to make small payouts. So that is when it is worth it. You're already there, you're already passing by, you're already out doing gigs anyway. But when is it not worth it? Obviously, if you're just going to leave your house, get in your car, go drive 20 minutes to a store and then drive back home, definitely not worth it. If it's a difficult gig, some of the $3 ones, depending on what store you do them at, some of them could take a couple of minutes and some of them could take like 20 to 30 minutes. Then it's definitely not worth it. In my opinion, if it takes less than 5 minutes from when you get out of your car to when you get in, then I think it's definitely worth it because the hourly wage starts to add up. And if you could stack like 10 of them, if you could stack like 8 to 10 of them, you could be in that $25 to $30 an hour range, which is what I look for when I'm out doing food delivery apps and other similar apps. So if you want to see me compare all of these similar apps together so you know how they work and you could go out there and start making some extra money, check out this video over here.